Okay, we're going to look at an improvement to the universal connector. This was already available in SP1. In the past, it sometimes happened that the position of a field relative to the top left-hand corner of a certain dialog changed. In other words, if they made the dialog smaller or if they opened and closed various sections within the dialog, and this would lead to a problem with the field not being found. Now it's possible to use a label within a dialog as an anchor field and then locate index fields relative to this anchor. So we'll create a new profile as before, for example for outgoing invoices. We'll do select as before, use the finder tool to choose our dialog, and then we can change it, so we'll say that the title starts with, and we delete the variable part so that it will always find the right dialog. And then we go to the next step, and now we can add our label field, so our caption. So we will change the attributes to caption in Windows class, and we can give it a name. And then we click on add, but with the arrow we click add dependent. And then we choose the dependent field, click OK, and now we make this relative to the top left, but it's now relative to the label instead of to the top left. And I can do this then for the rest of the fields that stay relative to this label field in a constant position. Once I've done that, I can click on next, and then I can define as before the action. So for example, a save action. I can define the shortcut, choose the category, and then match up the index data. And once I launch this profile and I use the hotkey on the outgoing invoices dialog, then it will automatically allow me to choose a file to save, and that file's index data will be populated with the index data from the dialog.